All right, so I'm going to go fairly quick. I got 20 slides. I'm going to go through 20 slides in 10 minutes. And if anybody wants the slides, I can share it with anybody that wants the slides. So welcome. This is a 90-day step-by-step roadmap to real TikTok GMB. The first 90 days is crucial if you want to get your sales scaling on TikTok. So first, I want to talk to you about who am I. So I'm Ernesto. I'm a partner of Bullseye Sellers. We are expert at marketplace managers. We manage over 150 brands. Half of those, actually, I got to update this. Now we got 80 brands on TikTok Shop, and we're an official TikTok Shop partner agency. And these are some of the clients that we manage. Good. So the first 90 days is really 3 phases. The first phase is foundation, setting up your shop. And the goal is to get a fully compliant, conversion-ready TikTok shop that affiliates can confidently sell. So the first sell is not trying to sell the end user or the customer. The first sell is trying to sell the affiliates, meaning trying to attract affiliates. So how do you do it? First, you open your TikTok shop via Seller Center, business verification, EIN number, bank account, tax information. This is the boring stuff, all the legal stuff. The good news is that you only have to do it once. You will need a US representative. So if you're an international brand, as long as you have somebody in the USA with a passport or social security number and a valid ID, they can be your US rep. They don't need to own part of your business or have any access whatsoever, but you do need a US representative. So once you set up the shop, the next step is to create the listing. So there's different ways. You can do it manually, add the title, description, bullet points, images, video, all of that. Or you can import the listings from Amazon or from Shopify. These are some of the software that we use, Webby, Silk, Aftership, or you can use the TikTok Shop app inside Shopify to import the listings. So you can import the listings from Shopify or from Amazon. And what we do, so we sync it, and then once it's synced and it's imported, we unsync the price and the content so we can then make edits inside TikTok Shop, because TikTok Shop allows you to do a lot more when it comes to images and copy than Amazon. Amazon has a lot of limitations. All right, so best practices, you got to link the TikTok creator account, add your trademark, category approval if needed. If you're selling on beauty or supplements, you'll need category approval. You got to set up the flash deals, subscribe and save if applicable. Optimize the listing. You don't do keyword stuffing like Amazon. Amazon is all about ranking, right? Ranking and then conversion. TikTok Shop is not about ranking. People are not searching for your product. It's interruption marketing. So it's about working with creators, as many videos as possible, and then having the listing, especially the main image, be good for conversion. Hero image, optimized images showing one benefit per slide, so creators can use them. Good. So the weekly outreach. Once you start your new TikTok shop, you cannot reach out to creators. It makes it impossible. So once you make your first sale up to $2,000 in 30 days, you can now reach out to 2,000 creators every week, all right? 8,000 a month, 2,000 a week. It resets every Sunday. 2,000 might seem like a lot, but if you have been working with creators already, you know that it is not a lot, because out of 2,000, you'll get about maybe 30 to 40 people showing interest, requesting a free sample. Why? Because they're getting hundreds of messages every day from every brand wanting to send them a free sample. So 2,000 messages, you get maybe 20 to 40 people showing interest. And out of those, probably 20% are decent, right? So you're only sending out maybe 10 samples a week, which is not enough. What you want to do is sell a minimum of $2,000. And we have a hack for this, which I'm going to talk about. Once you sell $2,000 in 30 days, now you're able to reach out to 7,000 creators a week or 28,000 a month, which now you have enough messaging ability to get enough creators to show interest in your product. Celico. So Celico, this is what we use to kind of like fake the sales. So Celico is a software, or it's more like a service, as a matter of fact. They charge about $10 per sale, and they got thousands of buyers that essentially go to your shop, they buy your product, they get a rebate, they get full refund for the product, but now you're able to break through the initial $2,000 in sales, so you can unlock 7,000 weekly messages. And it also helps you unlock a few other things, like help you get through the probationary periods. It gives you reviews, etc. You should check out Celico, definitely a must if you're trying to get things started on TikTok Shop. Here's more information about Celico. It's very easy. You can create an account for free. You can schedule a call. They show you how it works, and then You can create your own campaigns. It takes less than 3 minutes to create a campaign. If you're a $10 million seller, you don't have to worry about any of that because you get whitelisted. Unlimited outreach. You can send out 100,000 messages a month if you like. So yeah, you just gotta talk to the right people in TikTok Shop. They'll get you whitelisted. It says we can get you whitelisted. If you work with us, we can get you whitelisted, but you can also do it on your own. Phase 2, affiliate engine build. So the goal is to create predictable, scalable affiliate output, not random posts. Okay, here it is. So there's different type of affiliates. There's L1 to L5. As a matter of fact, there's up to L8 affiliates selling over $1 million a month, but those are just a handful. So when you have a new store, a new shop, you're mainly gonna work with L1 and L2 creators. L3, L4, L5 would probably not want to work with a new brand or a new product because they like to promote products that are already selling tens of thousands of dollars, that they've shown that it converts, and it's a lot easier for them to sell a product that's already selling quite a bit than trying to sell a brand new product. On the other hand, brand new creators, so the big brands don't really want to work with new creators, right? So the strategy is that as you increase your sales, you work with better and better creators. Now, if an L4 or L5 creator requests a free sample from you, don't even think about it, just approve it. Approve it the second you get the sample request, because this type of creators are gold. This is how you're able to get to selling millions of dollars on TikTok Shop. All right, so following up. So this is once you send out a sample, check posted videos. You got to praise compliance publicly, correct off-brief content privately, remove repeated violators. So this is just once you start getting to work with hundreds of creators, now you got to manage the relationship with the creators, right? You want the creators that have your product to keep posting videos. Technically, they should only post one video, but you want them to create 10, 20, 30 videos. And there's a way of doing that. And then also, if you see anybody doing any off-brand content, well, you got to message them and correct them and do work. As you grow and you work with more and more creators, the work gets bigger. So you'll have to grow your team. All right, phase 3 is shop score, logistics, and compliance. So at this point, as a matter of fact, throughout the whole journey, you should really watch this, but especially once you're starting to scale. Once you sell $10,000 to $20,000 plus a month, you gotta really pay attention to your shipping speed. You gotta ship out within 48 hours. They gotta receive the product within 7 days. Cancellation rate, refund rate, customer response time. Because if you do not follow these metrics, your account health will get damaged, and then the TikTok Shop will shadow ban you. They will stop your reach. Scale 4 is just scaling, right? So once you start selling at scale, you just gotta do more and better. Work with better creators, daily creator nudges, spotlight top performance, and reward consistency, not virality. We like to do games. Anyone who posts 20 videos or more, they get a $500 bonus. Different games and challenges and incentives you can do. I'm gonna skip this one, but essentially this is everything that I just went through. If you ask for the slides, I'll be more than happy to share the slides. And then TikTok Shop truth. Okay, so TikTok Shop success is not one viral video, one big creator, or one great product. Success means systems, volume, compliance, and relationship. If you want to meet with me or anybody from my team, you can scan this QR code. We'll be more than happy to meet with you. Take a look at your product, take a look at your brands. I could talk about TikTok Shop for 10 hours. There's so much to talk about. But one of the most important things before you think about getting on TikTok is, do you have the right product and do you have the right margins? If you don't have enough margins or you don't have the right product, whether it's the price of the product or whether it's a product that creates impulse buy, then you're going to have a really hard time selling on TikTok Shop, at least now. Eventually, once they open search, will be a different story. But for now, you got to have viral type products. If I'm selling paper plates, a pack of 20 paper plates for $12.99 is going to be very hard to sell in TikTok Shop, as opposed to selling like a very interesting, attractive toy for kids that does something special, right? Something like that might go viral and it creates an impulse buy. So you can scan this, or you can go to bullseyesellers.com/meet with Ernesto, and I will be more than happy to meet with you. All right, that's all that I got for today.
Nice. Thanks, Ernesto. It's been interesting.